Hello viewers, you're welcome to today's class. Today we have a question on word problem to solve. So in a moment from now, I'm going to walk you through the process, all of them, one step at a time. So I just want you to stick with me to the very end of the video, and at the end of the day, I believe you will find value that will make you subscribe to the channel. So let us go to the question right now. Alright viewers, we are said the question reads, the sum of two numbers is 59. Half of one of the numbers plus 1/3 of the other number gives a total of 24. Find the two numbers. It's very simple. So let us go about it step by step. Now the first thing you want to do is the sum of two numbers. The two numbers was not clearly given to us. So we'll assume the two numbers to be, say, x and y. So when we say the sum means addition. So if the two numbers is x and y, then the sum of x and y is going to give us 59. Remember, the sum of the two numbers, which is x and y, okay, is going to give us what? 59. So these are the two numbers and the sum up to 59. You call this child equation 1. Okay, now the next question, it says half of one of the number. Half of a number is just like half of x. This is half of x. This is 1/3 of y. Okay, so they say half of one of the numbers. So let us assume the one of the number is x here. So half of x will be this guy, half of x, then plus 1/3. 1/3 is 1/3. 1/3 of the other number, which is y, okay, gives a total of 24. Okay, you see now we have a simultaneous equation, and this is the first statement here, and this is the second statement here. So I really want to clean up this other equation so it look like this without fraction. So the LCM here is 6, 2 and 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So I wish to multiply both sides by 6. So if I multiply here by 6 and I multiply this guy by 6, these two will divide 6, I'll have 3. Then 3 times 6 is going to give me 3x plus, if 3 divides 6, I have 2. Then 2 times y is 2y. And 6 times this guy will give me 144. So this is our new equation because I don't want the equation to have fraction. So I'm going to solve these two new equations simultaneously. So I'm going to call this one 2 prime, okay? So I have now x plus y is equal to 59. And I have again 3x plus 2y is equal to 144. Okay, now this is a simultaneous equation and I want to solve this problem by elimination method. Now if you look at the first equation, the quantity of x here is 1, and look at the other equation, the quantity of x here is 3. So to apply the elimination method, I need to make both of these variables have the same quantity so I can easily eliminate them. So for me to make this quantity to be equivalent to this quantity, I have to multiply all this equation here by 3. So if I multiply this equation by 3, I'll have x times 3 give me 3x plus y times 3 give me 3y, and 59 times 3 is going to give me 177. Then now I have 3x plus this guy is equal to 144. Now you can see that the equation 1 and 2 have the same quantity of x, so I can easily eliminate them. So when I put this operation here, minus, so I'll go 3x minus 3x will give me 0. That is the reason why I want them to have the same quantity so I can eliminate them. Now we have the only variable of y. 3y minus 2y will give me 1y, which is the same as just y. And of course, 177 minus 144 will give me 33. So this is the value of y. Now we've got one of the unknown and we want to obtain the other variable, which is x. So I'll put the value of y into any of the equation right here. So I'll put it in equation 1 because it's a little bit easier. So I have equation 1 to be x plus y is equal to 59. So now y is no longer y is now 33. So I have x plus 33 is equal to 59. And if I collect like terms, I'll have x is equal to 59 minus 33. And of course, x will be equal to 26. Now this is the value of x and this is the value of y that we are asked to find. So viewers, this is the end of the solution. If you have any question, please put it down in the comment section. I'm going to reply you for the time being. I want to see you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day and God bless you. Bye.